In Texas, rain or shine, RBT Distribution works every time.
Rain or shine, RBT always delivers. But it's not just about delivering product from point A to point B. It's about being there for you.
Our team works tirelessly to ensure every order is processed with care and precision. We know that your business depends on getting the right parts on time, and we take that responsibility seriously. Whether it's a critical part for repair or an upgrade, we make sure it arrives when you need it most. At RBT, reliability isn't just a promise, it's our standard.
5 days a week, RBT, ready to get your product to you.